Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to create a Memoji now. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 18 and you're signed into your Apple ID. Open Messages, start a new thread or pick an existing conversation, then tap the app drawer next to the text field. Once done, select the Memoji icon. If you prefer, go to Settings Memoji to start there. You'll immediately see the plus button to create a new Memoji. Tap it and prepare to customize shape, skin, and basic features. Now customize. The how and why matter. Tweak skin tone and face shape to match your look for better expression tracking, then refine eyes, nose, mouth, and hair using presets and color wheels. Mix short moves with careful adjustments. For example, set eyebrow tilt quickly, then spend time on eye color for realism. Add glasses, hats, and piercings. Enable eye tracking and live stickers if you want animated reactions. Make sure to rotate and preview expressions so the Memoji moves naturally in messages. Finish by using the Memoji. Tap one of the stickers to send instantly, record an animated message, or choose it as your contact photo and in FaceTime. Once used, you can always edit by long pressing the Memoji in Messages or returning to Settings Memoji to tweak details. If the Memoji doesn't animate, check camera and Face ID permissions, restart the device, and make sure iOS 18 is current. If problems persist, delete and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.